Today we'll share very easy lacy crochet stitch made with Caron Cotton Cakes that are readily available during spring and summer in all craft stores. It's a seasonal yarn but very easy to work with, and we're using 4.5 millimeters crochet hook, though it is recommended that you use 5 millimeter crochet hook for this yarn. I just like my crochet stitches to be tight, so I'm using smaller crochet hook for this stitch. To start each cluster, you chain 4 and then do treble, in US terms, crochet stitch in the space of the underlying cluster, and then you do another treble in the same chain space. And to finish the cluster, you chain 3 and then anchor it to the next cluster with a single crochet. And that's how it will look. And you just keep repeating it until you get to the end of the row. So chain 4, 2 treble crochets, and chain 3, and just regular single crochet in that corner. And one more repeat, chain 4, treble crochet, and another treble crochet. And chain 4 here represents the first treble crochet, so basically you have 3 treble crochets here. Chain 3, and the last single crochet in the top 4th chain of the turning chain. So this row is complete. Now we chain 5 and turn 3, 4, 5 and turn. And now do 2 trebles in the very same stitch. And the second treble. And this is the first cluster. Chain 3 and single crochet in the next cluster. Chain 4, two treble crochets, and chain 3, and anchor it with a single crochet. and just continue repeating those clusters for the whole row. So it's chain 4, 2 treble crochets, and then chain 3, and a single crochet. So then you have this beautiful lace stitch that is just perfect for an easy summer or spring garment, shawl, or a shrug, and we will share a project on the website soon that goes with this stitch. Thank you so much.